Hey, what's up, people? This is just a quick product review on the Smackfat Ketone Test Strips, and the only reason why I decided to do an actual video review is because I was actually fascinated with the 3-day procedure that was being taught. The reason why I was surprised was because I'm not much of a newbie. I'm actually, I've been doing keto for quite some time now, and what pretty much surprised me about the 3-day procedure was simply that it actually worked. Some people, when you read on the internet, you see a lot of the times that it would say that it would take a week or so, or even close to a month until you start actually producing ketones. But in this case, the 3-day procedure actually worked. I was producing ketones within 3 days. I followed the procedure that was being taught, and pretty much I was able to get my glycogen depleted quickly, and position my body to start producing ketones as soon as possible. So I was pretty fascinated with that. Also, why I wanted to make a video is simply that I see a lot of people get confused. A lot of people get confused when they first start out in the ketogenic diet, and they're happy that they're producing ketones ahead of time. But as time goes, about 30 days in, where you're doing such a great job, next thing you know, it starts to fade away. The strips will not show no color, but in your diet, you know that you didn't mess up, you was on track, and everything was going smooth. The reason why this happens is you're becoming keto adapted, and what that means is the ketones that was being produced in your body is now being transitioned into your blood. So I just want to give people a heads up and just let people know that while doing the ketogenic diet, you use the urine strips ahead of time to constantly test and learn your tolerance level. You learn your body. Once you learn your body, then you know what you can tolerate, and then you're going to transition into keto adaptation. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just pretty much just me showing that I was producing ketones, and I was pretty ecstatic about that, and to also just show that the strips are in good quality and they work, so yeah, I hope this was informative, and good luck on your keto journey. Alright, peace.